In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transparency to an image or shape in your PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint offers several ways to enhance your presentations, and adjusting transparency is a great way to make your designs more visually appealing and professional. So let's dive right in. To start, open up your PowerPoint presentation file. This should generally be the file in which you want to make your transparency adjustments. Once you've got that opened, navigate to the slide containing the picture or shape you wish to modify. If you haven't inserted the image or shape yet, go ahead and do that now. This initial step is crucial as it sets the stage for making your content more dynamic. Now, with your picture or shape in view, click on it to select it. You should see selection handles appear around it. This confirms that your image or shape is ready for editing and that PowerPoint acknowledges your selection. If you've opted for a shape and not yet formatted it, consider customizing its size and color to fit the overall design of your slide. Remember, how you present this visual element can greatly impact the clarity and focus of your message. Next, right-click directly on the picture or shape to bring up a context menu. This menu is your gateway to a host of formatting options. From here, you're going to select Format Shape. Clicking this option opens a panel on the right side of your screen, specifically designed for in-depth customization. It's here that you'll find options related to fill, line, and other shape properties. Within the Format Shape panel, locate and click on the Fill option. The Fill section will provide you with multiple choices such as solid fill, gradient fill, picture fill, and more. If you are working with a picture, you'll likely opt for the picture or texture fill to see how your image can blend seamlessly with your slide's background. After selecting fill, you should see a transparency slider. This is where you can get creative. Adjusting the transparency allows the background to seep through, making text or other elements stand out more clearly. Slide the transparency bar to the desired level. A lower percentage means more opacity, while a higher percentage makes your shape or picture more transparent. Keep experimenting with small adjustments to see what works best with your specific presentation theme and design. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, you're all set. The final result should be a balanced, visually appealing blend where your picture or shape complements the rest of your slide content. Just remember, if at any point you're not happy with the adjustments, you can always go back and tweak the settings to suit your needs. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding transparency to images and shapes in PowerPoint. These subtle adjustments can significantly enhance the professionalism and readability of your presentations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more PowerPoint tips and tricks.